You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and we just love these cool toys, especially the old ones. You don't even know what it is from the outside. It's pretty big looking, isn't it? Look at that. It is missing the cover compartment there for that section. Made in China. What is it? It says 1992 Children's Television Sesame Street Muppets. Very cool. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. It's the Sesame Street super animated talking computer. Let's see what it does. Turn it on. Hey.
Put in a yellow disc.
Okay, we don't have the discs. They go in here. So we have nothing to put in. But you can bypass those games and just hit the yellow button.
What's this?
It's a yellow button. Okay.
Magic shape.
Ooh, magic shapes. Let's do that game. So you hit the green button.
Let's play magic shape.
Okay.
I like that. To change the shape, press the yellow button.
The yellow button. Okay. So now, this is ticking down. See this? Hurry, hurry. Okay, I'm doing it. Relax. Yellow. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it.
Are the same, press the green.
They're the same. Press the green button. Time's ticking, Mommy. It's gonna explode. Got it.
Presto.
Presto. I like
They're
that.
the same. Let's play again.
Okay.
To change the shape, press the abracadabra.
Ooh.
Whoops, the shape. We're
Okay.
not the same.
Okay. I
Try it again.
know. I'm trying to confuse you and see what you do. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. I'll play along.
When the shape
When they match, I know. There we go.
abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Same.
They're the same.
Let's play again.
I don't want to play again. All right. Well, this is the VTech Sesame Street. You got Big Bird, Bert and Ernie. Sesame Street super animated talking computer. You want to see that a little
To
closer?
change the shape, press
Look at
the
that.
yellow button.
Pretty neat. It says Sesame Street up here. Look at that keyboard.
To change the shape, press
What a cool
the
game.
yellow
Oh, we're
button.
ticking down. There's the on-off and some arrow keys. So if you had the cartridges, this would probably be a lot more fun. But you can still do stuff with it. Yeah, I know.
Time's up.
All right, sorry. So let's turn it off. It's the Sesame Street super animated talking computer from Sesame Street. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.